What is it? What is it?
Winston, what is it? What is it? They like it. What is it? Huh? Don't you like it? Oh, right. Oh, it's terrible, isn't it? Oh. You have to swear about it. You don't have to swear about it. What's wrong? Oh, come on, then. Come on. Come up here. Come up here.
It's amazing. They've travelled interstate and they've delivered on that hope and enthusiasm. All of a sudden, everyone jumps on board. You start to believe. You start to gather momentum. And these players, I can guarantee when they get in, you have a listen to the zest and enthusiasm they put into this club song. They will